Hello out there everyone, this is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter. Borderline as we have a brand new Cobra 29 LTD Classic. First of all, let me do a shout out to Manuel Silva, Termite, out there in Donna, Texas. 73, Manuel. Okay, this is what we did to this Cobra 29. We added a MOSFET FQP1310 and we added a 10K. Yep, yes we did. We're all familiar with this. 2 amps, 10 watts lag, about 6 watts average. And let's just go on the 10K here. It should be 27,185, but it's 184. There it is, right there. And to switch, 196. Okay, this is a 10K. Or 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, and 40 with the A. So it's A3, A7, you go so on like that. So we got this. Well, let's see the C3. Put 3 here in case somebody says it. Let's see if it doesn't have a 10K in this one here too. Yeah, 26,995. Back to regular band. 26,985, 10K. Okay, here it is right there. 3, 7, 3, 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, and 40. On channel 40, we all know that we all should know that it's 27,405. 27,405. Let's double check here. 27,404, 27,405. 10K here. 27,416. With a switch here. Okay. Thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Bye.